So here is Truth Social app, and they finally introduced the feature with direct messages. It wasn't available before, but now if you just update your Truth Social app, you have direct messages. So then just tap on Messages tab, and then you can allow users you follow to start new chat with you. You can enable chat notifications, and by default all messages automatically deleted after 14 days for your security. So just tap Save and Continue, and then you just have messages here in the bottom right. You can just start a new message. You can send a new message to specific people you like if they allow to do it, and then so this is just like announcements channel. You can leave chat, you can silence notifications, and so that's basically an idea. So now you just have these messages